Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest and most stylish advancements in health and fitness technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Fitbit Luxe. This elegant fitness tracker combines fashion and functionality to help you reach your wellness goals in style. Let's dive right into the world of the Fitbit Luxe and discover why it's creating a buzz in the fitness and fashion communities alike. Features of the Fitbit Luxe. Sleek design. The Fitbit Luxe boasts a sleek and minimalist design that's perfect for any occasion. With its stainless steel case and vibrant AMOLED display, it's not just a fitness tracker, it's a fashion statement. Advanced health tracking. Monitor your health like never before with features like heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and stress management. The Fitbit Luxe provides a holistic view of your well-being. Activity tracking. Whether you're walking, running, or practicing yoga, the Luxe keeps track of your activities and provides real-time feedback to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. Long battery life. With up to 5 days of battery life on a single charge, you can wear the Luxe day and night without interruption. Smartphone integration. Stay connected with call and message notifications right on your wrist. The Luxe syncs effortlessly with your smartphone, keeping you informed without having to reach for your phone. Water resistance. Don't worry about getting caught in the rain or breaking a sweat during workouts. The Luxe is water resistant, so you can wear it wherever your active lifestyle takes you. Customizable accessories. Personalize your Fitbit Luxe with a range of stylish accessories, including bands and jewelry like bangles, to match your unique style. Uses of the Fitbit Luxe. Fitness goals. Set and track your fitness goals with precision. Whether it's steps, calories, or active minutes, the Luxe keeps you motivated. Health insights. Gain valuable insights into your health patterns, sleep quality, and stress levels. Use this data to make informed decisions about your well-being. Fashion forward. Elevate your fashion game with a fitness tracker that complements your style. The Fitbit Luxe seamlessly transitions from the gym to the office to a night out. Wellness on your terms. The Luxe adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're an athlete or a casual fitness enthusiast, it's your perfect companion. In conclusion, the Fitbit Luxe is not just a fitness tracker, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about combining wellness with style, staying connected, and making every day a step toward a healthier you. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Fitbit Luxe. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please show your support by liking and sharing it. And if you're a proud Fitbit Luxe owner, share your experiences and style tips in the comments below. Together, we can redefine fitness and fashion for a more vibrant, active, and stylish world. Until next time, may your fitness goals be met, your style be impeccable, and your wellness journey be extraordinary. Stay fit and fabulous with the Fitbit Luxe.